Muscles move. But how? Have you ever stopped to think about how your muscles move? We all take for granted simple actions like walking, talking, and even breathing. But these actions require a complex interplay between our nervous system and our muscles. This is where the incredible world of the neuromuscular junction comes in. It's the microscopic bridge between a nerve cell and a muscle fiber, and it's responsible for translating signals from your brain into movement. Without it, we'd be unable to interact with the world around us. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of the neuromuscular junction. The incredible meeting point. Introducing the neuromuscular junction. Imagine a relay race. The first runner carries a baton and needs to pass it to the next runner to continue the race. That's kind of how the neuromuscular junction works. It acts as the crucial handoff point between a motor neuron, a specialized nerve cell, and a muscle fiber. This junction ensures a signal from your brain telling your muscle to move is transmitted efficiently. It's a remarkable example of the intricate design of our bodies. A closer look structure of the neuromuscular junction. Let's zoom in and see what's happening at the neuromuscular junction. First, we have the synaptic knob, a bulb-like ending of the motor neuron. Think of it like a tiny pouch filled with neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that will signal the muscle. Next, we have the synaptic cleft, a minuscule gap between the synaptic knob and the muscle fiber. It's like a tiny swimming pool that our chemical messenger needs to cross. Finally, we have the motor end plate, a specialized region on the muscle fiber's surface, dotted with receptors like landing pads ready to receive the neurotransmitters. Acetylcholine, the messenger of motion. In the world of neuromuscular junctions, acetylcholine is the star player. This specific neurotransmitter is responsible for carrying the signal across the synaptic cleft. When the brain sends a signal for movement, it triggers the release of acetylcholine from the synaptic knob into the synaptic cleft. Imagine it like launching a tiny boat filled with acetylcholine across that tiny swimming pool. Section 5. Bridging the gap. How signals travel across the synaptic cleft. Once released, acetylcholine molecules diffuse across the synaptic cleft and bind to specialized receptors on the motor end plate. Remember those landing pads on the muscle fiber? That's where acetylcholine docks, like a key fitting into a lock. This binding triggers a series of events within the muscle fiber, ultimately leading to muscle contraction. Section 6. Muscle contraction, from signal to action. When acetylcholine binds to the receptors, it's like flipping a switch, setting off a cascade of electrical and chemical changes within the muscle fiber. This process ultimately allows the muscle fibers to slide past each other, resulting in muscle contraction. Think of it like a rowboat. When the oars pull in unison, the boat moves. Similarly, when muscle fibers contract together, they generate the force needed for movement. Section 7. When things go wrong. Diseases of the neuromuscular junction. The neuromuscular junction is a vital link in our ability to move, and any disruption to this delicate system can have serious consequences. Diseases like myasthenia gravis, for instance, occur when the body's immune system mistakenly attacks acetylcholine receptors, leading to muscle weakness and fatigue. Understanding these conditions is crucial for developing effective treatments. Section 8. Real-world applications. Understanding neuromuscular junctions. The study of neuromuscular junctions has far-reaching implications. It's essential for understanding and treating a range of neuromuscular disorders, developing new drugs and therapies, and even designing advanced prosthetics that can interface with our nervous system. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of this microscopic junction, we unlock new possibilities for improving human health and mobility. Section 9. The future of movement, research, and advancements. Research into neuromuscular junctions is ongoing, and scientists are making exciting discoveries all the time. From developing new drugs to target specific receptors, to exploring gene therapies for genetic neuromuscular disorders, the future holds immense promise for treating and potentially even curing these debilitating conditions. As we continue to unravel the complexities of this vital junction, we pave the way for a future where movement disorders become a thing of the past.